Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to discuss how to make 1,000 a day trading penny stocks, right? So you guys know that I've taught you how to trade pharmaceutical penny stocks in many of my videos, and that's because we trade pharmaceuticals because we can predict the exact date they will spike in value, and I give you the exact dates in my videos. So last week, if you had watched my penny stock video where I said top 8 penny stocks to watch out for April 2018, and I gave you the exact date to watch out for them because those exact dates, they will spike in value either up or either down, because we go based on the trials. Basically, these pharmaceutical penny stocks have to develop drugs. They have to develop drugs, guys, in order to have them FDA approved. One of these stocks was SELB. SELB today has spiked in value, and I recorded the whole thing from basically stock market open until during now. The stock market's still open, but it's still going. But it did spike today, released a positive result. I want to go over that, guys. So guys, you probably were looking at the video and seeing the title and you're like, where's the 1,000 part? Well, if you had purchased 1,000 shares based on $8 at the moment, so that's 8,000, you're trading money, and you buy 1,000 shares, you would have made 1,600. Now that's at the moment. I'm not sure what the stock looks like today or in a few minutes, because it's still going, it's still spiking. It only spiked this morning, and it's still going. So that is where I'm saying, guys, you can make 1,000 a day trading penny stocks, basically a 9-to-5 salary. So I'm gonna go over the stock SELB, show you what happened. So for those people who are new to this, remember, we trade pharmaceutical penny stocks only, BIOPHARMA penny stocks, and I give you exact dates when they will spike in value. So make sure you smash the subscribe button so you don't miss out on those dates. Basically, the success of a trial or a test will ensure the success of the stock. If it comes out positive, it shoots up on value. If it comes out negative, it goes down on value. However, today, SELB, guys, pre-market, it basically slumped in value, and that's because they released the result on the website, and they also had a conference call. Now, not many people understand that basically the first thing that happens is the result is released on the website, not on the conference call. So people sold before the conference call because they didn't know what to expect. However, me basically showing you these videos previously and telling you to watch out for the website rather than the conference call, make sure that anybody that has followed me from the start has made money today. So yes, if you had bought pre-market, guys, you would probably be down in value because, you know, people sold pre-market because they were afraid of the conference call, what would happen in the conference call. So just be aware of that, guys. Sometimes when you see sellers coming in, just wait until the market opens, because, you know, they've reacted to it differently. People are selling their shares because they're afraid of what they had to say in the conference call, but they didn't watch what the website had to say. So we got a good bargain because we bought cheap after everyone sold. They drove the price pre-market and we bought cheap. Now, we got in, the stock spiked back up and continues to spike. We made a lot of money even before it reached its full height. So we were already profitable. And shout out to Ahmed, who basically wrote in my last video about SELB this morning, asking a question. He actually was watching it, so I think he's a regular guy that always comments on these videos, so shout out to him. If you haven't basically watched the videos that I released and you watched my last video and looked at the comments, you would have seen his comment this morning and you would have jumped in as well. So let's go to the computer, guys, and let's see how the stock reacted with SELB. Okay, there was a conference call at 8:30 and people were listening to the conference call. Now, yes, they did release a positive result, but look what happened. And here's why. Because yesterday it was overbought, okay? And today everybody sold before the conference call, but me being me and me being the hawk and me teaching you how to be a hawk, what I did was I went onto the website because the article was released before the conference call on their website. So I knew to buy when they sold. When everyone sold at $8.50, I bought. Now look at the price here, okay? So everybody drove the prices down, and look, $9.68. We're going up because they found out now during the conference call that basically the trial came out positive, but I already knew it. And if you had listened to what I had taught you in many of my videos, you know exactly where to go, and that was the website. Okay, you can see that straight up, April 10th, before the stock market opens, presents positive new data from ongoing phase 2 trial. That's all you need, okay? We clicked on it and I even analyzed it just to make sure there was no mixed earnings, no mixed, reports or feelings, and everything was all clear here, guys. And you can see they drove the market down. It was down 20% pre-market, right? Because everybody wanted to listen to the conference call. But my subscribers, the people that follow me, understand that the first thing we do is we work smarter, not harder, okay? The report was already released and we went straight. Now look at this, we're already up to 8%. Now I've already bought my kind of shares for today, and I've decided to kind of record this for you. I just woke up literally a few seconds ago, guys. The video that I'll be making for you guys will probably be later, but this video has been made exactly at 9:30 US time, guys. But I'll probably record the other video later. So we can see, guys, if you're watching this video, we had a positive result. Pre-market, we were down 20%. Matter of fact, we were down 20% during the market open as well, 12% now. And here is why. The conference call has started 10 minutes ago and people are still listening to it. They still want to make out what the result was. But we were there before everyone else. We already know because we worked smarter. We went onto the website. We found out that they came out with a positive result, and they're going to say the same thing in the trial. So the people that will basically listen to the conference call, they're going to say the same thing in the conference call as they did here in this website. And here we go. We've bought before everyone else, okay? Even though it dropped down on value, we got a good deal. Now hopefully the price should go back up to $11.20. We make about 24% in 1 day or so. We can make it in 2 days even. But yeah, if you had traded this stock, guys, let me know. So 13% so far. I'll pause this and I'll update you in a few minutes, guys. From $8.50 to $10. Here we are, $1 up. So guys, check this. Check SELB at the end of the day. I'm gonna go ahead and make the video for you guys so I can basically edit them all together and release this by the end of today, so you can see $10.44. So I'm not sure basically what the stock will be at the end of the day. So check it out and let me know if you made some money in the description below, so we can discuss that. So that's all I want to say in this video, guys. Remember, trade responsibly. So all you had to do was basically start off with a 10,000 investment, let's say. So you can see these penny stocks, guys, go up by $2 in a single day in literally 10 minutes. So you make what you would make in a 9-to-5 job in 10 minutes, and that's how we make money. Now I made money. The people that have followed me hopefully made money also. But just remember, guys, be aware of pre-market and after the market. Pre-market things like this do happen, so always follow the trend. But however, this time we called bluff because we understand that the positive result means spike. So that's all I want to say in this video, guys. I just wanted to kind of review this for my subscribers. And if you're new to this, smash the subscribe button. And if you basically had made a loss or made a profit today, put it in the comment description or in the comment so we can discuss this. I'll see you again for another video, just like always.